Yeah, nation people. So Mr. Vegas drop empty the clip. Bounty killer this. Yes, 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 yes. He sure did. You know you sure drop empty the clip. Bounty killer this. Yeah. Why I? Alright. I'm gonna flip the script, nation people. What wanna think? I'm gonna flip the script. Yes, 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 yes. I sure flip the script, nation people. Right now, empty the clip. Me bumbo cloth. Me say, a good thing. Me never say, me a set up. Because me da probably have to call out from work this morning. Here what go on right now. Mr. Vegas empty the clip. All due respect, cause you know we not gonna violate the thing, you see what I say? Because we want the war to carry on. Naturally, actually, and fracturally. Hear me I say, nation people. Me go give Mr. Vegas 6 out of 10. That's the effort, and at the first you ever hear him like him want go in a rude boy song. You see what I say? So I'm gonna give him 6 to that. Differently, the song is a okay song. It's just not tough enough to be a diss song or a counteraction song. Because here we go on. The punch them in the song now no punch in it where you gonna say for defeat murderation, or the song now have no wow moment in it where you have to say, yo, pull up that more and hear that again, or, you know what I mean? It now have that thing there in it, my brother. The song does casual, you see what I say? It's a casual song where you could have just listen to. But for talk about say, for be a diss song or a counteraction song where I violate somebody wicked, the song now have none of that in it, my brother. The punch them weak in it, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And me think, Mr. Vegas, you put too much people in the war. You see what I say? When you run go put on so much people face on the cover art, guess what you do now? You focus on too much different people. You not focus on killer because you not punch the man hard enough. You not punch him like you want to knock him out, my brother. You see what I say? Or some look a baby thing you deal with. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Because the hardest thing them we you talk about in the song are the rest where you claim you kill a Polly Royal. I don't know which one of them if I obtain or Jesse Royal. You see me because I know I don't hear like you violate Stylogy, and I don't hear you violate Charlie Blacks. You see what I say? You violate the rest where you say you kill a Polly Royal. And you diss the girl wicked on the fix because you call her or and tell her go suck out her mother. You see what I say? Where the killer diss them there? You say man box down killer in a dang one studio. You alone know about that, my brother? Remember say nothing at all, not too old long in a dance hall, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? How long killer losing visa, how long now, and then nobody no know about that? Eh? Nobody at all no know about that, my brother. That is a secret, it's a dance hall secret. Won't go you alone now. Dog, that's a gimmicks, my brother. You see what I say? When you attack the general, my brother, slaughteration thing you have to deal with, not gimmicks thing. Because your song, yeah, it's a counteraction, yeah, but it sounds more like you're trace than you're counteracting, my brother. Because I'm not hearing no punch in it, you not punch the man. A tracing thing you're upon, my brother. I saw the song sound to me, you know what I mean? Listen to that and listen to more murderation. You can't put that against murderation, my brother. That's not a joke thing, a real thing me talk, and not a gimmicks thing. You see what I say? Not even spin barrel you can put that to in, my brother. Because you see to the way all killer flow upon spin barrel are one of a kind, my brother. You see what I say? So right now we not get Vegas. Make certain the next song where you drop. You see what I say? Make certain the next song, cause 2 songs you owe you know. And this is one. Make certain the next song where you drop up to par. That it can even match up to even murderation or spin barrel. Yeah, otherwise it look like a suicide thing you are going with. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. First, you go sing the Bumbuckler church song and choir business like a funeral thing you are dealing with. Yo, the intro and the song no match up, my brother. When you draw for them intro, the people supposed to start dead. You draw for the big bad church service song where play in a Jamaica every Sunday because you know Sunday a funeral day. In the sweet by and by we shall meet. And yo, let me tell you something, Vegas. When you draw them big blood clot note that bury people bury, my brother. You know them note they not draw unless people are buried. You see what I say? So you waste the intro. That now make you know no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? You make the intro better than your whole of your song. What kind of idiot thing that? You can draw for them big anti-blood clot intro there. My brother, the sweet blood clot by and by, and then you drop lollipop lyrics on it. A gimmicks thing you deal with, my brother. But anyway, 10 star I give you 7 out of 10 for your effort. And thus we say, well then, is a counteraction song you do. When me know at the first, you go in a them game there. So me not even go beat you. You see what I say? Because you can improve on the way. Just make certain the next song where you drop. You see what I say? It up to par. Like your murderation. Like spin barrel. When you draw for them big classic blood clot into the people for bury, my brother. Dirt supposed to show up on people. No lollipop thing not dead about it. That's how we know it, my brother. It not go no other way. You see what I say? A real way me I represent. Me not represent no gimmicks way. No gimmicks not there in on my thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah. No joke shit not there about it. So we say yes. Give you a 6 out of 10 for your effort. You see what I say? Because the counteraction thing and this song thing and gunman song thing, it's not one of your strong point. And that's why I make certain I give you a 6 for your effort. You see what I deal with? But me I tell you, the punch them weak in it, my brother. No KO business not there. Nothing there in the song where you have to say, pull up that, make me hear that Bumbuckler again. Whoa! What a wow moment there. Look like you'd have to go call Candy instead of Lady Anto Bumbuckler. Now gimmicks thing not there about it, you know. But Killer, me know you're supposed to start dead with laugh. Yo, Killer, Alliance Massacre. What? The general, you know, the 10 star one I represent. I know each and every time I represent. A Gaza way, you know, they ain't no other way. 10 star, general. Mr. Vegas, I think that empty the clip there. I think the clip really empty for true. You did think the clip load, but when you squeeze, not at all not there. So it's an empty gun and an empty clip you forward with. Now gimmicks thing that there in my game. A 10 star the general I represent. Oh.